Hey, this is Fee from WinuSoft. In this video I'm going to show you how to use the Stylus Chrome extension to install a theme which will allow you to change the colours in the Oxygen Builder interface. So the first thing we need to get the Stylus Chrome extension. And we need to just add that to Chrome. We now need to find the right theme. So if we look for Stylus themes, and then the correct website, I believe, is userstyles.org. No, it's not. Userstyles.world. There we go. Then if we search for Oxygen 6, and then it's the WinuSoft Oxygen Builder 6. And if you just install that, and then install Style in the top left. So now it's installed. If you go back to Oxygen Builder, you'll see that all of these different tabs have got alternate background colours. And if you select something like Flex, then it's a lot more obvious as to what is selected. All of the items here have got slightly darker borders, and then again, if you select something, it's just a little bit more obvious. I usually work on a really large screen, and these items end up very, very small, so I've created this just so that I can really see what I'm doing at a glance rather than having to peer at the screen. Anyway, I hope that's helpful. Thanks.